If you're looking to add a commercial style spout to your kitchen, the Fapully Commercial Faucet is definitely an interesting option. Starting around $120, the faucet's robust industrial grade body details and unique design feel appropriate for its price. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Welcome back everyone to another ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet review. My name is Bê Nguyen, and today we're talking about the Fapully Commercial Dual Spout Pull-down Kitchen Faucet. Together we'll delve into certain aspects of design and craftsmanship, examine distinct details of the faucet, and talk about the good and bad in our experience with the product from the very first steps of installation to give you, our viewers, some ideas of what you're buying. So let's check it out, shall we? Now first, let's talk a little about how we evaluate each kitchen faucet before getting to the details. Our main objective here is to conduct unbiased reviews across our kitchen faucet series. As such, ratings are given to three main categories: design, usability, and performance, as we standardize our routine for every faucet. In design, we focus on the general build of the body and the sprayer head of each faucet, like the quality of the function button or how the neck swivels, for example. In usability, we highlight the interactions around the setup of the faucets, how they control water, and how the sprayer maneuvers. Finally, each faucet's performance under low water pressure is also taken into account to finalize our verdict. Search for How Should It Test Kitchen Faucets to find out more about our process and rating criteria. The Fapully Commercial Pull-down Faucet is a fully rotating dual spout faucet with separate spray wand and stream spout. The faucet stands roughly 20.5 inches high by 11.5 inches wide and is the largest unit we have examined. It doesn't come with a cover plate, so the default mounting setup is one hole only. Let's take a look closer at the faucet design. Staying true to the aesthetics of commercial kitchens, the Fapully is certainly eye-catching with its large size and outstanding design. While the fully rotating spring neck and docking arm swivels rather satisfyingly, the middle spout is much stiffer. It does rotate 360 degrees but requires some effort to move. Regarding cleanability, it's a challenge to clean the faucet thoroughly. The spring neck design is already trickier to maintain than solid necks, and the faucet's clunky details and numerous crevices make it even more of a chore compared to other more seamless designs. Without an extending hose, the sprayer's reach is roughly 13 inches from the neck. The bend of the spring adds an extra inch, but that's about the extent of it. Unlike the common pull-down design with integrated functions on the sprayer, the Fapully spray wand has a lever handle and can only spray. This lever handle style is one of the very reasons why people are interested in commercial faucets. The Fapully Commercial has a tone when it comes to build quality. On one hand, it's a rigid faucet made from dense metals with minimal use of alternative materials, which is evident both visually and further confirmed by the weight of the whole unit. On the other hand, the body's noticeable lack of heat insulation when running hot water is undeniable and a major issue. With all that taken into account, the Fapully Commercial Pull-down Faucet scores only 6.8 out of 10 for design. Now on many levels, the Fapully Commercial Faucet offers much utility thanks to its industrial sprayer and dual spout layout. However, the faucet falls short when put next to other faucets with neater, more simplified builds. So let's talk pros and cons. And the spray wand does feel very commercial, for the lack of a better term, thanks to its relatively well-weighted lever handle and the faucet unhampered water pressure. The flexible spring neck allows the wands to move responsively and without restriction despite its hefty weight. Although the dual spout design isn't as neat as normal pull-down faucets, it supports connection with other kitchen appliances such as faucet water filters or portable dishwashers thanks to its typical spout. The sprayer's metal cartridge may be vulnerable against rusting if the sprayer is unused for too long despite being made of stainless steel. Compared to the others with extending sprayers, this faucet doesn't have much pull-down reach. Additionally, getting around using the handle, the middle spout, and the lever together properly will take some time. Moreover, the faucet's installation process can be overwhelming to anyone who lacks experience, as it requires assembling numerous parts and figuring out where the hot and cold lines go. You can refer to the user manual or watch our installation video for easy to follow instructions. For those reasons, the Fapully Commercial scores 6.4 out of 10 for usability. The Fapully Commercial, true to its name, has incredibly ample water pressure out of the sprayer, around 60 psi. With the handle fully open, no other faucet we have tested can even hold a candle to it. At 40 psi, which is quite low, the faucet can still yield excellent flow rates. The Fapully currently holds the high score for the low pressure test, which is 10 out of 10. Those who are looking for the aesthetics or wider experience of commercial kitchens should find something appealing in the Fapully Commercial pull-down kitchen faucet. Certain drawbacks in the faucet design and installation may put a damper on things. Its robust construction and unique operation are sometimes all that we need. With all things considered, the Fapully Commercial receives 6.9 for its final rating. And that wraps up this review video. If you'd like to find more information about the Fapully Commercial pull-down faucet, try searching for ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Like the video if you find it helpful, and consider subscribing and donating to the channel to support the work that we're doing. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next review.